ever imagined what life was like before civilization, before cities, before even the concept of safety? Long ago, across the endless African plains, our ancestors lived side by side with danger. The savanna was their home and their battlefield. In a world ruled by beasts, survival was not a choice. It was an instinct. Every sunrise marked another chance to live, or to die. The ground trembled beneath the hooves of raging buffaloes. Dust filled the air, and the scent of fear lingered with the wind. For early humans, every hunt was a gamble, every meal a miracle. Imagine riding among a herd of wild buffalo, feeling the earth roar beneath you. These mighty animals were not just prey, they were power, strength, and spirit. To hunt one meant risking everything. One mistake and you could be crushed, gored, or trampled into dust. Yet from this danger came courage and progress. It was through these battles that humanity learned teamwork, communication, and the value of courage. But the savanna was full of surprises. From the warthog that darted through the tall grass, always ready to fight back, to the massive pythons that coiled silently, waiting for the perfect strike. Even the fiercest buffalo could become prey when nature turned against it. Look closer, every creature played its part. The predators hunted, the prey adapted, and early humans learned from both. They studied how animals moved, how they survived droughts, and how they protected their young. This knowledge became their greatest weapon. Life then was harsh, but it was pure. Each scar told a story. Each chase was a lesson. When a giant wild boar charged at a tribe, it wasn't just a fight, it was a test of instinct, unity, and the will to live. Some would run, others would stand their ground, but all would remember the moment. And that's how humanity evolved, not through comfort, but through conflict. By facing nature's fury, our ancestors built resilience. By understanding animals, they learned survival. And by mastering fear, they became the hunters, not the hunted. The next time you look at the wild, remember this. Every heartbeat, every struggle, every victory that kept our species alive began right here, in the savanna, under the same sky that still watches over us today. Because before we built empires that we learned to survive,